This is Tajamal. When the weather is hot and you can't rely on air conditioning to keep you cool, a portable camping fan with light can feel like a lifesaver. FA37 portable fans are convenient to use in a variety of locations, which is one of their main advantages. At home, they can save energy caused by replacing air conditioners with less expensive alternatives. Its purchasing price is approximately $68.99 and it can be used as a floor fan, ceiling fan, table fan, or even as a camping lantern. The FA37 can be easily held in one hand and weighs only 39.3 ounce. It is a 180-degree adjustable, sportable and foldable fan. A portable size design and cordless control make it easy to use. There are 4 wind speeds, a timer shutdown for 2 hours, 4 hours and 8 hours, as well as ambient lighting anywhere in the house. By pressing the light button, you can also have a cooling party and escape the dark at night. The package includes a telescopic stand that can be adjusted in height according to your height and position. The fan's head can be adjusted up and down. The telescopic stand ensures a steady wind and a better user experience. The FA37 multifunction fan with a foldable telescopic handle is stretchable, foldable and suitable for all kinds of occasions. The FA37 has a lithium-ion 8000 mAh battery that can provide up to 26 hours of cooling time. You won't have to worry about battery accidents while you enjoy outdoor activities and exploration. You can easily hang it with the FA37 since it comes with a wall hanging mount. It is fully wireless when used for more than 8 hours, so you can enjoy the cool breeze wherever you are. There are several fan speeds to choose from, and the FA37 on the highest setting is powerful fan. It is possible for you to see how fast and how strong the fan is, as well as low level, middle level, high level and natural cooling modes. The FA37 has 4 additional cooling modes. FA37 portable fan can also save energy since they use less power. In addition to being cost effective, saving energy contributes to the protection of the environment as well. This is the perfect portable outdoor fan with light you have been looking for so long. You can find the buying links in the video description, and it costs not more than $68.99 and it's really good for you. If you are looking for a travel adapter, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.